So I broke down a couple pallets, and then there's probably enough that I can get 2 different projects out of this. Some different various sizes boards, some thicker, almost 2x4 supports here. But I got these from my local place where I pick up wood for all my projects, and they usually have a bunch of free pallets out there. So I usually throw some in when I'm there just for ballast to keep my wood in the back of my truck from falling out. So that's usually why I even pick them up. But while I got them, I take my bar and I will break them down. And if they're no good, I just get the nails and stuff out of them and burn them in my fire pit. So they're good for something, and they just give them to me free. You can typically get pallets either cheap or free most anywhere. I think you just have to watch out. Some could have chemicals in them or have had chemicals on them that have leaked. I typically don't worry about that too much since I'm dealing with a lumber yard, and most of the ones that they throw out there are the ones that they have gotten concrete, bags of concrete, and then they just get rid of them after the concrete has busted a few of the pieces of wood, so they can't recycle them. It's easier for them just to give them to customers. So anyway, I try to pick up a few while I'm there, and like I said, I'm going to make a composting bin. I guess that's what you call it, composting bin. So that'll be good for this. Put it in the garden. And the bar that I was using to break it down, it's very sturdy, very heavy duty. The thing weighs about, I don't know, probably 15 pounds. But it gives you all kinds of leverage to break the planks away from it, the nails. Pretty easy once you get the hang of it. So I got this off of Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description if you're interested in checking it out. But I've used it a bunch, and it looks pretty good.